This video will be a step-by-step tutorial on how to install an Infield UV kit on most Baker cabinets. Please note, when removing the tombstone blanks, a contaminated area will be exposed. A cabinet decontamination may be required. Your UV kit will include tombstone plates, tombstones, a warning label, the UV bulb, UV ballast, and required hardware to mount the ballast. You'll also be given some wire ties to secure wires when complete. First, we will power down the cabinet. Next, we'll disconnect power. At the base of the dress panel, each side will be secured with a screw. These screws may be a hex head requiring a tool to remove, or a thumb screw for easy removal. Grasp the dress panel in the center and raise it. Once raised, there are supports on the right and left hand side to secure the dress panel. On current production cabinets, the location for the UV ballast will be to the right of the transformer and just above this circuit breaker. These two holes will be used for the mounting screws. Locate the appropriate screws and washers for your cabinet. Several sizes are included with your kit depending on your generation. Pre-installing the screws can be helpful for thread cutting. Install your ballast with a screw and washer on each side. The washer should be between the ballast and the cabinet. Wiring the ballast will be required for its input and output sides. Factory capped wires are to remain capped and will not be used. We will wire the output side first. Note the red and the yellow output wires from the ballast will connect to the red and yellow wires on the cabinet side. For the input of the ballast, let's begin at the solid state relay. The loose black wire will be required, and the black wire that is attached to the ballast are also required. Begin by removing the blank terminals off of B1 and B2 on the solid state relay. Install the loose black wire on B1 and the black wire from the ballast onto B2. Next, at the terminal block, terminals 1 through 3 are all AC hot, jumpered together. Terminals 4, 5, and 6 are AC neutral, all jumpered together. The black wire from B1 on the relay can be installed in any open AC hot terminal block. The white wire from the ballast can be installed in any open AC neutral terminal block. At this point, the wiring of the ballast is complete. Secure the wires with the included wire ties in an orderly manner. Locate the UV tombstone blanks in the back side of the cabinet wall below the supply filter diffuser. Remove the plates. UV tombstone wires are located behind the plates. Repeat this on both sides. The tombstones will need to be installed in the plates. Repeat this for both tombstones. One tombstone will have room for 1 wire, the other will have room for 2 wires. Find the appropriate side where these fit. The yellow wire can be pushed into the square hole on each tombstone. Install the tombstones with the screws holding the blank plate previously. Repeat on both sides. The UV bulb now can be installed. Resecure the supports and lower the dress panel. Reinstall dress panel screws on both sides. Reconnect cabinet power. Restart your cabinet. It should be noted the UV bulb cannot be used when the sash is open. The alarm light will blink once, notifying you. When the sash is closed, the fluorescent light will shut off. We now can turn the UV light on. When the sash is raised, the UV light will turn off.